To use Apple Pay to send money to yourself, you need to have an iPhone or an Apple Watch with the latest operating system and a compatible debit or credit card. First, open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. Follow the prompts to add a debit or credit card, and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have added a card, open the Messages app and start a new conversation with yourself. Tap the App Store icon next to the text input field and select the Apple Pay icon. Enter the amount you want to send to yourself and tap Next. Review the transaction details, including the amount and the card you are using, and tap Send. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once you have authenticated, the transaction will be processed and the money will be transferred to your Apple Cash card. You can then transfer the money to your bank account or use it to make purchases. It is essential to note that to use Apple Pay to send money to yourself, you need to have an Apple Cash card set up. If you do not have an Apple Cash card, you can set one up in the Wallet app by tapping the plus sign and following the prompts. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to verify your identity and set up the card. Using Apple Pay to send money to yourself is a convenient and secure way to transfer funds. The transaction is encrypted and authenticated using your device's biometric security features, and you can track the transaction in the Wallet app. You can also use Apple Pay to send money to friends and family, and to make purchases online and in stores.